Hello my friends. So let's do more no-cause repair because we do a lot of TVs. I think last week is a noco 70. This one here it is sent for no charging, so I check it. The device is charged fine. Charging port is good. There is power going to the battery, but there is a battery cell. One of them is bad. I think the middle one, the cell number 2 is bad. Like it charge, I forced to charge it till it's reached 12 volt. It's boost fine, but by itself is keep dropping. It means within 1 hour or so that cell is gonna go back to under 1 volt. So this one is the battery problem. There is no fix for them. I start seeing a lot of nocos with the battery issues. Like maybe one of the 4 devices that I received, they have the battery issues. So this one is one of them. This one I received yesterday and I did check it. It was battery issues, so nothing to share with you. And this one here is this I received it today, and I plug it to the charger. You see something interesting, and I said, okay, let's check it together and see if we can fix this one here. So when I push the power button, it turns on, then it goes off. No, I don't think I have any video with this problem, and I want to share the repairs with you. For this one, I'll show you how we can fix this issue. So I plug it to the charge. It shows like it's at charging 25%, but look here in the charge, the amps, it's go like about 50 milliamps, then 0. And now it even doesn't want to show that 50 milliamps. Yeah, you can see it was 60 milliamps, then it goes 0. So definitely there is an issue with this one. I hope it's not a battery problem. Then we go from there. So we can now see how to fix this one. So this is the device inside. So we hear the relay like is clicking for the device to turns on, then it's go off. So first, always going to check the battery voltage. So this point here is connected to these 2 pins. So this is the negative side, and this is the positive side. So the total of the battery voltage is 11.2 volt. The first cell is these 2 here, and the third one. So we can test it on this point. 3.7 at the third pin from here. 1 2 3 3.7 volt, because some people they ask me how to check the battery cells. Even I show them in the video, but still some people they have problem to figure out how. So second cell is from the third pin here, 1 2 3, to the fourth pin here, 3.7. So this cell and this cell, they have same voltage. This one is a 3.7. This one is a 3.7. That's good. The third one is from the fourth one, 1 2 3 4, to the 5 or 6. These 2 pins is connected together, or to this connect bed, or this point here. And we have 3.7. All the battery cells are good. They have the same voltage, more than 3.5, and the voltage each is the same and stable. That's great. Next, we're going to check this low ohm resistors that the noco use them as a fuse. They are good. Okay, next one. So this is the 3.3 regulator. So this is the ground, the negative side of this capacitor here. And we check here, see how much. In this point here, we have no voltage. This one here, yeah, we have voltage, and the power is a 10 volt. That's good. Here in the input of this one, let's see where. So this is the ground, the negative side of this capacitor here. And we check here, see how much. In this point here, we have no voltage. This one here, yeah, we have voltage, and the power is a 10 volt. That's good. Here in the input of this one, let's see where. Okay, I think this is the output of the regulator. So there is a 9 volt. Let me see here. Nothing. And here 1 volt. That's not right. .3. So we have 3.3 volt over there. But why it turns off? So maybe the power button is bad. So let's check. So I checked the power button. I remove it because I did see this problem. Link it to the power button. The same thing. So it's not the power button. I'm gonna put that button back in a minute. But let's look at it, the microscope, see if we can see anything. Because from here, everything looks fine. I don't see no burning. But the microscope is gonna help us if there is anything small. So let's go a little bit. So we can look at each component. See it good. If I see anything. Yeah, you look to see if there is any hole in the or burned transistor, diode, or any cracked capacitor or resistor, or a little hole in these ICs. These capacitors look a little bit discolored. Gonna check it. need to look real good to see if that's the capacitor. And try to don't miss no spots. Alright, yep. Do you see that resistor over there? It looks like it's misplaced or something. This one here. Yeah, that's a crack. Let me move it over there. You see this capacitor is cracked over there. Here. Wasn't in the place at all. It's a 472. It means 4700 ohm. So 4 kilo ohm and 4 kilo ohm. So this resistor is going to need to be changed. If I do remember, I did see this problem before. So let's keep looking quick to see maybe there is something else in this area. This the 0.1 ohm. And here, this area looks good. This area here, that's the LED driver controller. Here, yeah, I don't see nothing. But usually there is not the driver LED. So, yeah, let's check that this capacitor for short before we change that resistor. The capacitor is good. So I'm gonna look for a replacement resistor and come back. So this is the resistor. Is a 4.72 kilo ohm. Because the crack, there is a little bit connection somewhere that we can read. Here 4.72 kilo ohm, and I have one here is a 4701. So this is the same as 472. So if you have just a 3-digit, it means 4, 7 and 2 zeros. The last digit is how many zero we add. If we have 0, we don't add no zeros. It means 47 ohm. If we have 1, if we add just 1 0, it means 470. It means 470 ohm. And we keep going. So here 2 is mean 2 zeros. This one here is a 4701. It means 400. We read the 3 first digit is a 470. It means 470. Then the last digit is how many zeros we add. In this case we have 1. It means 1 0. So it should be 4700. And that's ohm. It will be 4 4.70 kilo ohm. Yeah, so it's a reading because it's connected to another thing. That's what the resistance is going down. So let me remove this one here. That's the one. So let's see if we can zoom to it. Yeah, it's here. Yeah. And this one is a 4.7 kilo ohm. My mistake. So this one is at the same thing. It's a 4.7 kilo ohm. So let's put this resistor in the place, and then we hope it is going to fix the problem. So I can go to the next device. So we put a new solder, and we're going to check why that resistor is one bad over there. Alright, so before we do anything, let me test. The device is turns on and stay on. It's fixed. So that's the problem. That's good. That's great.
So let's add some flux. And we solder it a bit, more solder.
Alright. Where is the resistor? It's here. So that's the resistor we changed. The resistor here, that's the one we changed. And this resistor is a little bit bigger than the other one. And that's the only size I have, but it will work great. And I'm going to put the power button. So device turn on and off as it should. Yeah, turns on. Stay on. It's boosting 11 volt. The battery is a little bit low. Flashlight works now. So everything works. Let's check the charger. If you remember what the charger was doing before, it's just stuck at the 0. We have almost 1.3. It did show 1.3, so it's a 1.1, and it will go up when the batteries have more. You can see it's 125. It start going up when the battery gets more charge, And I see another issue is here. Another issue is this charger is wiggling. Like the charger itself is good. It just is gonna need. And let me zoom on it. Show you why is. You see that crack? It's getting wide over there. So now it's gonna look better, and we're gonna put some solder on it. It's gonna hold good. Yep, that's good. Let's test it. Yep, it's tight now. You can see it. It's charging. It's at 1.3 and still going. So all I have to do now is I put the device together, put it in the charge for a little bit. Then I will ship it back to the customer by next day. So if you have any noco device that's need repair and you wanna send it, the address is gonna be in the description of this video. After you ship it, just text me the tracking number. Write your phone number and return address inside the box, so I can contact you when I get the device. If I have any question, contact you about what's wrong with the device, price, and all that information. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to help this channel. See ya next time. The jumper is it charged. It's a full charge now. So I left it overnight. I'm gonna unplug it. Yep, it's all to the green. Let's see the boosting voltage. Yeah, it's 11.6.